Hey, good afternoon everyone. So atin po kita yan na para sa aton grade 8 lesson which is all about multiplication of monomials. Okay. Atin po kita yan na. So ito na ito. So 4a squared b cubed times 3ab squared. So i-multiply po yun ang numerical coefficient niya. 4 times 3 that is 12. And then 8, pareho silang 8. So, lagay ka ng 8. Add exponent, 2 plus 1, 3. Kasi meron siyang exponent naman dyan. Basta pa merong 8. Tapos, b cubed times b squared. So, that is b raised to 5. Kasi 3 plus 2, 5. Okay, for our next example. So, negative 5 times positive 6 is negative 13. So, a times a cubed. So, that is a to the 4th. Kasi meron siyang 1. Dito, meron 3. So, 1 plus 3, 4. Tapos, b. Meron pang b dito. So, isulat lang natin na b. And then, c. Meron din. Okay. So, yan na po yung answer sa ating pangalawang example. Next example. Negative 2 x squared times negative 8 x to the 5th. So, multiply natin yung negative 2 at negative 8. That is positive 16. Kasi, multiplying 2 like signs is positive. So, x raised to 7. Kasi 2 plus 5, 7. Okay. That's all for today. Bye.